Welcome to another Power BI video. In this video, I'll show you how to create tree maps, which is extremely helpful to notice or to differentiate which assets or which categories are performing the best. We'll go to Visualization tab. We will click on Tree Map, and a tree map will be added to our canvas. We will resize this tree map, and then we will start populating the data. The first thing we will be adding is the names of the wells, which are going to be in the category section. We will try to monitor the oil production as our KPI, so we will add that to values. And now you can see there is a breakup by oil production. If you want to view more information about each specific square, you can go ahead and add any extra values you want to view in the details. It's best to view this type of plot in conjunction with a bar plot or a pie chart. Let's add a bar chart. In the x-axis, we'll be adding the unique ID. In the y-axis, we'll be adding the oil. And in the legend, we will be adding the unique ID. This will create a coloring for each of these bars. You can see the color patterns are the same. If you click on one of those, it will correspond in another chart, because Power BI creates interactive plots. Thank you so much for tuning in. Follow us for more Power BI videos.